Hey there! Just look at me flying. Yeah. Wow, this was just great. Now, how are you all today? I hope you have been practicing the words done so far, and are enjoying being with us. Let's dive into our word for the day. The word we are going to learn today is courageous. The word courageous is used to describe someone who is always ready to face danger or pain, even when scared. In other words, someone who is really brave. So, has any one of you acted courageous lately? Now for our sentence. Here's one. The courageous prince saved the castle from the big dragon. Another would be, it was courageous of Nora to try the new ride at the amusement park, even though it looked a little scary. Hope you got it. Now, you keep practicing this word, and I will see you again very soon with another one. Bye and take care.